that shook the marrow, call me back from broken paths.
Softest prayer, fiercest thunder, opened eyes I kept inside.
Steady anchor in the chaos where my trembling hopes could hide.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. I bear witness there is no God but Allah. وأشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله. I bear witness Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Echoes in my chest, the vow that made me whole. Light in every breath, surrender of my soul.